Hello everyone, this is Victor's Lake top of the range model AC80 tape. As you can see, I'll go through what this function is for the tape. So first off, there's 4 buttons. First off, there's the on button, as you can see here. There's a second button, which is the units button. So there's metrics such as meters, inches, feet. And the third button you can see is a functions button. So you can have a single measurement that you can record, or you can also get an area, volume, and also Pythagorean measurement as well. And lastly, the fourth button, as you can see, it's a clear and off button. So you can basically clear the memory of what you've taken and also turn off the device. So I'm firstly going to show you how to operate this tape. So first off, if you press and hold, you can see there is a laser right there. So you can see from here that there is a screen that shows you this is meters. So if I press again, you can see it takes a recording of how far it is from the tape at the front of the tape to the wall or wherever you desire. Secondly, if you press again, you can take another measurement. As you can see, let's just say I go back a bit further, it records both of them. So first initial reading was this, and then the second initial reading was this. So the next part I'm going to show you is that you can convert it into different measurements. So from that, you can give it into inches and so forth. Okay. And lastly, I'll show you the different measurements that I said before with area, volume, and Pythagorean. So if you press the third button here, you can see it asks for a measurement for an area. So likewise, let's go again. If I click here, it'll take a measurement, and then it's asking me for the second measurement, which I'll take a bit later. Let's just put upwards for the sake of it. Okay. And then it shows me the area after taking 2 measurements. So forth, you can do it for the third with area and Pythagorean, which I won't go through. Lastly, if you want to clear the memory, you just press this button and it clears everything. Clears all the memory. Okay. So lastly, if you press and hold onto the first button, you can see it went from a laser to a cross level laser. So it's very handy if you want to stabilize, and if you press off completely and hold on to off, it'll turn off everything. Okay, very handy. And also with this tape, you can take it forward, and this button here, over here in front of the tape, when you press it, it retracts the tape. So it's very handy. And also at the back, you can see if you push this up with a bit of force, there's a USB, so you can charge this. So this is very handy if you want to take it around with you or use it for the day to use all the laser function. Okay, so this is once again the Victor's Lake AC80 top of the range.